Since its introduction in 1949, the Cadillac coupe DeVille has stood as a timeless representation of American opulence and technological advancement. Its revolutionary design and refined aesthetic made it an instant socialite classic. Cadillac brings back the coupe DeVille for 2025, appealing to a new generation of luxury car fans with a blend of its rich history and innovative innovations. This article delves into the 2025 Cadillac coupe DeVille's design, performance, interior, and pricing to show how it will revolutionize the premium coupe industry. The 2025 Cadillac coupe DeVille's bodywork is an expert fusion of traditional and modern styling cues. Its chrome-accented grille is a nod to the classic 1950s models, while its striking vertical LED headlights adhere to Cadillac's contemporary design language. The car has an aerodynamic side profile that is both elegant and intimidating because to its long, flowing lines, two-door design, and flat door handles. Its athletic attitude is heightened by its big 22-inch alloy wheels. The coupe's refined appearance is rounded off at the back by two chrome exhaust tips, a small spoiler, and narrow taillights. Midnight Sapphire, Radiant Ruby, and Glacier White are just a few of the eye-catching color options available to buyers, guaranteeing that this car is both exquisite and noticeable. On the inside, the 2025 Coupe DeVille is a haven of contemporary elegance. The cabin is characterized by its high-quality materials, which include hand-stitched leather upholstery, genuine wood trim, and brushed metal accents. Elegant color schemes like ivory beige and walnut or jet black and carbon fiber are available to customers. Comfort is guaranteed by the heated, vented, and massage-functional front seats, while the substantial rear passenger capacity upholds the standard of luxury throughout. Any voyage can be elevated by the ambient illumination, which can be adjusted to a variety of colors. The Coupe DeVille is both luxurious and functional, thanks to its clever rear hatch that provides access to 15 cubic feet of cargo space. The Coupe DeVille's technological features are front and center. It has a 16-inch LED touchscreen on the dashboard that can connect wirelessly to Amazon Alexa, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. Conveniences like automatic lane changes and autonomous parking are available with Cadillac's Super Cruise 2.0, which allows hands-free driving on compatible highways. A completely computerized 14-inch instrument cluster offers real-time navigation, performance measurements, and augmented reality displays. Audiophiles will like the 20-speaker A-Key Studio Reference sound system. The vehicle's connectivity is improved for both drivers and passengers with features including wireless charging, 5G Wi-Fi, and multiple USB-C connectors. There is a wide range of performance options to suit different tastes. A 3.0 liters twin-turbo V6 engine developing 400 horsepower is standard on the base model, but a 6.2 liters V8 engine developing 650 horsepower is available on the performance trim. A 10-speed automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive are standard on both models, with all-wheel drive being an available upgrade. With 500 horsepower and 400 miles of range, the electric model is perfect for eco-conscious drivers. It's powered by GM's Ultium battery technology. Prices range from $70,000 for the base luxury model to $110,000 for the all-electric Platinum. The sportier V8 variant starts at $90,000.